So in this question, it's given most important in an investigation of a airplane crash by the US National Transportation Safety Board is the data stored on the airplane flight data recorder, commonly called the black box. In spite of its orange coloring and reflective tape, the recorder is engineered to withstand a crash with an average deceleration of magnitude 3400 g during a time interval of 6.50 milliseconds. In such a crash, if the recorder and airplane have zero speed at the end of time interval, what is their speed at the beginning of the interval? So uh, let me write what's given. So here it's given that the final velocity is 0, as it is mentioned, 0 speed at the end of the time interval. Since it is deaccelerating, so the acceleration we will write as minus of 3400 g, which again we can write it as minus of 3400 into 9.81. So we can write it as minus 33354 meter per second square. Time given as 6.50 millisecond, which we can write it as 6.50 into 10 to the power minus 3 second. Now we know that Vf equal to Vi plus A into T. Right, here Vf given as 0, Vi we have to find out. Here the acceleration is given as minus of 33354 and time given as 6.50 into 10 to the power minus 3. So from this equation we can write Vi as 216.801 meter per second, or if we want to write it in kilometer per hour, we can write it as 780.484 kilometer per hour. We just need to multiply the meter per second with 18 by 5 and we will get this 780.484 in kilometer per hour. That's all.